Let me show you a super simple way to use text to speech on TikTok. That's when TikTok reads your text that you type on your post. Press the plus sign on your profile here, and then we just on this page only need to record our clip or upload our clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and just press record here and record a little bit of a clip, and I'll let go. But text to speech doesn't happen on this page. It happens on the editing page. So I'll press the check mark to go to this page. And on this editing page, you could actually add text here. So you have to do that first. So you would type out your text. So this would be text to speech. And go ahead and style your text however you want. There's a bunch of different options, including colors and backgrounds. And I'm going to press done. Now to turn this into text to speech, press and hold down on it. And then right there on top, it says text to speech. Press that.
Text to speech.
And just like that, it's going to read the text out loud.
Text to speech.
And then press next. And then you could post it just like any video on TikTok. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.